The world is changing every day, for better and for worse, as humans have majorly contributed to these daily changes. As we overuse plastic water bottles, gas-fueled vehicles, electricity, and more, we are releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The excess emissions of carbon dioxide cause global temperatures to increase, more intense storms, more frequent and larger forest fires, melting of sea ice, etc. These are just a few of the examples. Something that may surprise you is that the greenhouse effect also impacts oceans and marine life, negatively affecting the oceans, and the living inhabitants will have a harmful influence on us and the world, as they provide us with many benefits. According to oceanservice.noaa.gov, oceans produce over half of the world's oxygen, regulates our climates and weather patterns. Many medicinal products come from the ocean, as well as the ocean supplies all living things with an abundance and diversity of foods. But now, as the world is being affected by global warming, ocean temperatures and acidity are rising. According to IUCN.org, increases in ocean temperatures have caused coral bleaching and loss of breeding grounds for marine animals and fish, which influences the population of many underwater species. According to NOAA.gov, the rise in ocean acidity will significantly impact the food web, as animals like oysters, coral, clownfish, and more are affected. As you can see, humans are the main cause of the ocean's changes and the suffering of marine life, but we can do our part to help reduce the amount of carbon dioxide emissions in the ocean and the air, slowing the effects of global warming. For example, schools can host special events involving someone with a degree in environmental science. They would have a lot of knowledge to share with other students and make them aware of the current situation of the Earth. Not only students can let other people know about this, but as an individual, you can spread the news so others would be informed. As others are conscious, they are more persuaded to help reduce CO2 emissions. One way an individual, either from a community or school, can help use technology such as solar panels to convert sunlight into electricity instead of using fossil fuels. People can ride bikes or transport on foot rather than driving gas-fueled cars if their destination is close. The last example is using reusable water bottles instead of plastic ones, since the manufacturing and disposal of water bottles greatly damage our oceans. These are just a couple of ideas to reduce the release of carbon dioxide that impacts our oceans. Everyone has the ability to help with this global issue, so spread the word and convince others to help today.